girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. So here we have Linkin Park's masterpiece called Numb. A great song and easy to play. So let's dive into it. We have the capo set here on the 2nd fret. And we need to learn 6 different chords here. So let's start with those. First off, we have the E minor. And it's open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, B, and E. Then we move on to the C chord, which is the 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the G chord, 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd on B, and 3rd on E. And then we have the D chord, which is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. So far, pretty standard chords and pretty basic, and they like each other. Many songs have these chords. Then we have 2 more chords to learn. And the 5th chord is the B7. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here with your index finger from the A string and down. And then you put your fingers here on the 4th fret on the D string here. And the 4th fret on the B string. Sounds like this, that's B7. And the final chord is called B sus4. Much easier to take than it sounds. And that is 2nd here on A string, 4th on the D string, and 4th on the G string. And open B string and open E string. So like this. So you're only strumming from the A string and down. So those are the chords. And as you heard in the beginning, we have this melody going on. So we're gonna look at this first, and then we're gonna look at the chord progressions and the strumming later. So first off, the intro here. It's based on these 4 chords: E minor, C, G, and D. So let's start. We're gonna play here on the B string first. So open B string, 3rd on B, and open B. And after that you just down strum like 1 on the E minor. So and it's important to really down strum all strings, and even the bottom here on the E, open E string, which is a part of the melody. And then you play 3rd on E and 2nd on E, and then you down strum the C chord. And here I prefer to just end at the B string here, to not have this open E string. That's just a detail, but that's how I prefer to play it, to really emphasize the E string before. So and then we move on with the same here as in the beginning: open B, 3rd B, and open B again. And this time you down strum the G chord. And you hit the notes here: 2nd on E and 3rd on B. And you end with a D downstroke like this. So I'm gonna show you how to play this part really slow, and then we're gonna play it in standard tempo. So follow me. So how does it sound in standard? Like this. You play 2 rounds of this, and then we are at the verse. The chords here are E minor, C, G, and D. And you play these 2 rounds. And that's the first part of the verse, because the chords are gonna change in the second part here. So this is the first part, 2 rounds of this, and you're gonna play only 3 downstrokes for every chord. So we're gonna change chords. Here we're gonna start with where he sings "Walking in Your Shoes." Here comes the C, D, E minor, and G. C and D, and here's where the verse ends, and we are at the chorus. So the second part will be C, D, E minor, G, C, and D. And it gets up a little bit in the tension here, so the strumming pattern will change a bit. The basic is still there, we're just gonna give it more flesh, so to speak. So the same feeling, like this is still there, but we're gonna add some more to it. So it will sound like this. If I illustrate with C, because that's the first chord on the second part of the verse, it will sound like this. Like this. Down, 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 down. And with the chord progression, it will be like this. Here the chorus comes in. So when we're at the chorus, we're back at the first chord progression here, which is E minor, C, G, and D. One more time. C, G, D. So the strumming pattern here is the basic here, still this feeling. But we're gonna add even more flesh, so to speak, to it. So it will be so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So if you listen to the song here, how it's played, I'm gonna show you with this chord progression. Yeah, so that's the chorus. So you wonder, where are these B7 and B sus4? Yeah, they will be in the bridge So after this first chorus, there comes the second verse, and after that one, it will be one chorus again, in the same fashion as the first verse and first chorus. And then after that, there comes a bridge. And this bridge is played in the same strumming pattern as the chorus. A part of it, and a part of it will change, and I'm gonna show you. So the chords first, they will be like C. Sorry. So this is the bridge here. So you're gonna play the same strumming pattern as in the chorus for the C and the D, those first two chords. So and then we come at these chords, these switches are a bit faster. Will be E minor to D to G, B7 and C again. And how do we strum these shifts here from the E minor? Yeah, it will be a first part of this pattern here. So it would be down, down, up, down, down. So it would be like this. If I start from the beginning here with the bridge. So So the full pattern for the first two chords, which is C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then C again, and D, full strumming patterns. And the rest chords as well, so B7 and B sus4. So it will be B sus4, and one more time B sus4. E minor ends this song. Great song from Linkin Park, and I hope you enjoy this one. If you did, please thumb up or leave a comment, or even better, be a subscriber. I appreciate you all, guys. If you subscribe here, it will help me a lot. So follow me on this journey, and as always, play tuned.